Alright, episode 2.0. I'm still fixing the mess from yesterday, but this time, I got help. NinjaTrader Support sent over for a walkthrough video, and I'm following it step by step. It's not panic-free, but it's progress. Let's get this thing working the right way. We have more information this morning. We gave up last night, but before midnight, I received an email from NinjaTrader Support, 𝗬𝗏, with a little bit more information. Apparently, I shouldn't have deleted OneDrive. It needs to be removed a specific way. Oop, I'm on caps. Mooring. Oop, I gotta capitalize the M, baby.
We are going to go over the steps to stop OneDrive from backing up the Documents folder. The first thing we want to do is close out of NinjaTrader. If NinjaTrader is already closed, then great. So from here, the first step is going to be stopping OneDrive from backing up the Documents folder.
Here we go. Really playing with me. Oh my gosh. I just want to download OneDrive to you like that. Sorry, I don't want to read this morning. Relatable. Yo, this is my first cup, and it is 7:14. It's 7:55 in the morning. I'm late. Here we go. It's quick and effortless. Coffee. That's gonna take forever. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, sync and backup.
Click Sync on Backup. It often starts on account, but we want to click over to Sync and Backup. And once this page, we will give it a few moments to load in. Sometimes it's very quick, sometimes it can take a few minutes depending on the volume of files that were being synchronized. So we will click. The next step is going to be uninstalling and then reinstalling NinjaTrader. And then inside of this list, download the most current version of NinjaTrader. Appeared in the top right corner of your web browser so that you can next install. There we are. Now I will click Finish.
Okay. I don't know if this is where I got thrown, because I have done the uninstall, I've done the reinstalls. It's now in. So,
I'm going to open your File Explorer, and now we can see this is our current installation of NinjaTrader that we just reinstalled. This is now on NinjaTrader Documents, and again, open that from the Suggestions, and now we will find this PC and look under Documents, and now we can.
Whoa, bro! I just saw some. I thought I saw like ES, Spanish. Maybe I'm just tripping.
We will find this PC and look under Documents.
There's a line right here. There's no this PC and then Documents. It's just here, but I found it. Shortcut to OneDrive Personal. Does it do that? Yeah.
We can see this is our current installation of NinjaTrader that we just reinstalled. This is now on your local computer, and it's no longer synchronized to the cloud. We can use this little shortcut to Documents folder and just double-click that, and it'll open us up under what's technically, I'm viewing the OneDrive doc.
I did that. Okay, and then
this is my old NinjaTrader installation, so from here we can simply right-click, and in this interface, this button is for copy, but if you don't see that, we can always click Show More Options at the bottom and choose Copy. And so now we will move back over to this PC and go to
there we go.
The local dock bottom and choose Copy. And so now we will move back over to this PC, go here on the surface level, right-click, and paste. This is the icon for paste, but again, if you don't see paste, click the item to show more options, and then we choose paste. And from there, it will transfer over all of your unique files to the current installation.
Hold up. Oh my goodness. This is crazy.
We will let that finish. It was pretty quick for me, but this can take a variety of amounts of time for different users. If you have a large amount of historical data, that can make it take quite a while. If you find that you need suggestions on how to reduce the size of that so it happens faster, let us know and we can provide some tips.
kind of interested in seeing what is all of this. I'm gonna hold off on doing anything with that. Oh yeah, see, it jumped to 13 minutes. Okay. Excuse me. It's 9:31 Eastern Standard Time. That means the market is open on Monday. I'll be back. 14 minutes. My fingers are crossed. Eyes, ears, toes. How do you cross your ears? I don't know, girl. It's very 20 minutes. I'm gonna mute my mic and my desktop. I'm gonna watch Big Brother. And we're back. So, the destination has 406 files. That's the same as what that one replaced the files. I'm going back to the email paper.
And affecting my files in the destination.
There we go. Okay. Oh, it's gonna assimilation. My mouse is already here, so whatever. I have no idea what this is about to pull up, to be honest. This is new. That's a daily moving like that? Wow. I'm going to minimize all this because it's a distraction. I really want to trade right now, but I really need to set this up right. The OneDrive worked, from what I understand, from what I can see, I guess. Let me do this and try and open it again and see how long she took. 𝗘𝗽𝗶𝘃𝗃. Just got the email from NinjaTrader. They see that the OneDrive worked and told me to go to Documents, NinjaTrader. Let's go over here with this. Make it easier on my eyes. I go to Commissions. Okay, and then Trading Hours. Whoa, bro. I'm fine with that. And then what is it? Commissions. Okay. Do not delete any other folders. And when you start NinjaTrader, you should no longer get this error message. Okay. So, let's try some. Okay. I forget. It's going to make that boing sound. And honestly, I don't want to hear it. But we got to see. Okay. It opened up. Finally. And that's it. The install's clean. The sync issues are gone. And NinjaTrader is finally back in action. I patched the last fix from support and everything's running smoother than it has in days. Replikanto is still making that boing sound. But after this episode, we shouldn't ever have to hear it from this laptop again. Episode 3 is next, and this time we're diving into Replikanto for real. Thanks for riding through the chaos with me. Now let's keep building.